Hey, so if you're watching this, that means I was able to upload this or something. So I'm going to be showing you how to download mods manually for Scrap Mechanic, and only Scrap Mechanic, from what I understand. So anyway, what you want to do is I'll show you how to do it from the start. So open files, right? You go to local disk, program files, this one. Then down here, find Steam. And in Steam, you want to go back to Steam Apps. Once in Steam Apps, you go to Workshop. Then in Workshop, you go to Content. 387990 is the one you want. Then here, for example, this file here, I think is the one I'm using right now. It's 870 that I'm looking for. Check how I do it again. Yeah, okay. So right here, I go into this, take, see description. Mod does not have a description. Fuck. Let me just see how I can, oh, there's me. Oh, I think okay, got it. Data. Gonna copy that, and we're gonna go here, program files, go to Steam again, Steam Apps again, Common, Scrap Mechanic, Survival, I think, right? Or was it just, I think it was just data. Paste. You're gonna want to, hold up, let me check. Yep. Continue. Gonna double check. Replace. Then I'm gonna go back to Workshop at Content 38, then 870. I'm gonna copy this thing right here. I'm going to go back, and back. Steam Apps, Common, Scrap Mechanic, and Base. And boom, that should work there. Now, the next mod I'm going to be doing is, I believe, let me check here. It's 098, so I go here. I always use the final 3 digits because it's easiest for me. 098. What the fuck? Okay. I'm gonna ignore that happened. Do I just copy the okay. So I'm going to this PC quick access. Okay. Because I want to be careful this time. Last time I messed with crafting recipes, I kind of broke my game. I had to reinstall. Wasn't fun. I hate reinstalling my game. So we're gonna copy this, and we're going to go to desktop. We're gonna paste it here. Now we have a duplicate. So yeah, we're good there. Quick, this PC, or quick access rather. Steam apps, workshop, content, 990.098, survival, copy, quick access, Steam apps, common, scrap mechanic, and then do we just, I forget, hold up. I want to make sure I don't fuck this up. Okay. And then I just paste it and replace the files. Boom. That's done. Okay. Shut that. Go here. We click play because we're bad boys. And girl. And whatever you identify as. And here we go. Axolotl. We're gonna... Fingers. Now, because I was gonna say, wait, where's my good world? Anyway, I have my copy world here. We're gonna play on that for a moment just so I can show you guys what's happening. Because I have a spud gun there and I don't have any on, have it on any other worlds that I'm currently not using. So yeah, Speed Gonzalez. See my hand, got a hand in your face. There's a hand on the screen. Yeah. Got my keyboard here. Well, look at that, isn't that crazy? Also,